Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shacha, and today I decided that I want to start eating only one meal a day for a month. I decided it's going to be for a month because I want to track my progress, and of course, if I see it's going to work for me, I will continue from now on. So, just a few details before I start. I'm 24, I'm a personal trainer, and my knowledge about nutrition is mainly from reading online and watching TV. I already tried the OMAD before, and it actually worked out pretty well for me. But then I decided to go on a big trip to Asia, and it didn't work out as I hoped it would there, so I stopped. And now I want to start again because I know it will probably work. And also I want to share it with you guys if you want to try it but for yourself to see my progress and to see if it's working out. So I actually weighed myself yesterday and my weight was 68.6 and my height is 1.64 centimeters and my goal weight is 60, which is a lot for a month. So it's not gonna be my target weight for a month. My target weight for a month will be 64 kilos. And I think with exercise and only one meal a day, which is going to be only around 1,200 calories a day, it should work out for me. So yesterday we had a Jewish holiday called Rosh Hashanah, and we had a holiday meal. So what I ate was 2 pastries with chicken and veggies and potatoes with cream and some salad. I don't think it was a good meal, but after that I went for a 2 hour jog plus short run. So I hope today when I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna see some results. So today I weighed in, and my previous weight was 68.6, and today I was 67.7. So I was glad to see some result. I know it's not gonna be every day like this, but I hope that in the end of this month, I will see some result. And so this was day 2 of the OMAD. I'm gonna continue filming every time I eat something and when I weigh, and I'm gonna show you my progress. And we'll see what's going to be in the end of this week. And I will continue uploading the videos every week for you guys. By the way, I forgot to tell you what I ate today because I told you what I ate yesterday. So I had some leftovers from the holiday meal. It was 1 pastry with chicken and veggie, the same one. Some potatoes from the oven, salad, and I took a piece of bread that my mom made, but eventually I didn't eat it. So yeah, it wasn't in the meal, and also had 1 cup of coffee. So yeah, that's what I ate today, and I want to try to eat the one meal around 2 p.m. So it's like in the middle of the day. Also, I want to show you how I look like, and I'm gonna show you it in the next video. So this is how I look like. Today's the 20th of September 2020. We are now in COVID-19 time, and I'm in quarantine in Israel right now. So I hope to get out of this quarantine looking better. Hi, today is day number 3. Yesterday I did some yoga and a high intensity workout. With TRX, and I weighted myself today and I was 67.1, which means I already lost 1.5 kilos, which is awesome. But I don't expect to see this every day because then you get disappointed and you quit. And it's important to not have unrealistic goals throughout this way of eating, because this is how you stay motivated. And yeah, so for lunch today I had a half a sandwich with an omelette and veggies, plus salad with olive oil, lemon juice, and cheese. And I had 2 pieces of bread that my mom made. And for dessert, I had 3 cubes of dark chocolate. I ate it around 1:30 today because I was super hungry, because I went to sleep really late and woke up really early. It's around 8 a.m. So I had to wait a long time till lunch, and it was hard. But I tried to drink a lot of soda water so I can feel kind of full throughout the day. Also, I wanted to let you know that now it's quarantine and lockdown, and I work as a personal trainer at night, so most of the time I'm at home, so it's kind of hard to stay away from food all day, but I try my best. And I think if I was working in an office or something, it would be harder for me. I know, because it's weird, but it would be harder because then I always look for food to try to like take breaks. But yeah, if you know that it's hard for you to stay at home and do that, you have to try to keep yourself busy throughout the day so you won't think about food all the time. So yeah, so that was day number 3. I hope to see good result in the rest of this video. Hi, today is day number 4, and yesterday I was playing volleyball because I'm on a volleyball team. And this is what happened. Yep, I'm a talented girl. And yeah, so at least I had my workout yesterday, and I had a slip up. I went to my friend Daniel, and he's a chef, and he made some chicken wings, and I took some, around 6. And yeah, so today I weighed myself. I was 66.7, I think. I have the video I'm gonna show you. So it's still a loss, and in around lunchtime I weighed myself again before I ate, and it was 66.6. So I'm so excited because I still see results. And for lunch I had cabbage with filled with meat and rice and some salad on the side. and 3 cubes of dark chocolate. And in the morning, I had a cup of coffee. So that's it. I hope that's it for today. And I wanted to do a workout today, but maybe I'll just go for a walk or something, because I wanted to do a TRX workout and I can't use my hands, so it's going to be a problem for the next few days. But yeah, that's it for today. Okay, almost forgot to film today. I weighed myself and I think the scale is broken because I got on and it says 61 and lastly I was 66, and then I climbed on it again and it was 63 and then 66, so I need to buy a new scale, but I think today I'm around 66 again. Yeah, today I ate homemade schnitzel that my mom made in the oven, and mashed potatoes and salad. I didn't finish all the schnitzels and the salad. And I had a cup of wine, a glass of wine, and that's it. And now I'm going to do a workout. I think I would go for a walk and maybe add some running in the end, and yeah, we'll have fun. Hi, so I did not update yesterday, so I will just do it now. Yesterday I was 66.5, and I ate two slices of pizza and some salad. And I was so hungry at night, but I did not eat anything. I just drank some alcohol. And I did not expect good things for today. But in the morning, I weighed myself and I was 65.8. And I did not see this number for so long, so I'm so excited. Because I'm always stuck between 66 to 67. So 65 is refreshing. For today, we are going to have a big family meal in the evening. So I know that I won't be able to hold myself till 9 p.m. So I just ate something. It was some leftovers from the cabbage with the rice and some yogurt. I know it doesn't sound very tasty, but it was. So today I also trained for volleyball by myself. Kind of lonely, but that's what you do when you don't have a partner to practice with. And so I'm just gonna add to this video what I ate, and I will continue to upload and report to you guys what I eat for tomorrow too.